Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Bommer number 7821-11-618. This is the brass trim kit from the 7821 series double-acting floor spring pivot set. The trim set only. The plates that you'll have on either side of the door, they're identical, so I'm going to put one down. Then you'll have the heel plate, and then of course the screws required. The 4 screws for the plate that are needed, and the 1 machine screw for the heel plate. Now, you may have noticed there are 4 holes in each plate, a total of 8 holes total on the 2 plates. When you do the prep in the door, 2 of those 4 holes on each plate will have nothing for the screw to go into. And that's why you're not going to have enough screws, because there's nowhere to attach it to. Anyway, moving on. The plates are available as standalone separate items. The 7821 versus the 7811 Bomber set, the difference there is that the plates are made of solid brass, so that's why this one would be called 618 finish, and that's because it's polished nickel over satin brass versus, well, I don't rightfully remember the part number for polished nickel over steel. When it's polished nickel over steel, it would be a 645 finish. That I should have remembered that one. What's the difference? Well, 618 will tell you polished nickel, but it tells you solid brass. If someone were to say it's 645, it's still going to be polished nickel, but it means a steel base item is what the difference is. The 7821 specifically means that the trim plates will be brass, so keep that in mind. Okay, let's go over the dimensional properties. And why would somebody buy these plates? Well, maybe the hardware was removed when the doors were being painted and thrown out. Or maybe you just want to change the look of the existing hardware, and you can do so by not having to purchase an entire new unit, just the trim plates. About 9 7/8 overall length. Overall height, about 2 5/8. Okay. Thickness of the plate itself looks like it's right at about 5/16 of an inch. Okay. Return here from the inside. You can hopefully see where I'm measuring that from. Looks like it's about 1/2 of an inch. Okay. Height of that return flange, about 2 5/16. Okay. 2 plates again. Now the heel plate, and giving you the dimensional properties just so that you can say, yep, that's the one, that sort of thing. Overall height of the heel plate, about 3 1/4, and a width up at the top, about 1 7/16 inches. Down at the bottom, about 1 1/4 inches. And then again, your screws. Okay. It's handy that Bommer makes these component parts available so that you can continue to get useful service out of the significant investment in hardware and time to prep the doors, so that you're not forced to purchase an entire new set, as I had said earlier. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Bommer products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog. If there are any questions on the Bommer 7821-11-618, trim package only in a polished nickel finish for the 7821 double-acting floor spring pivot, or any other Bommer product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.